Is it the right time to buy or sell TQQQ ETF? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into TQQQ. We previously shared a report on our website, but now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To ensure you never miss out on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Staying updated is crucial as it can greatly impact your investments. Want to elevate your trading decisions? Try our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. With this tool, you can tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Lastly, please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified TQQQ as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 2.49. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 22.31% since we first recommended TQQQ as a buy candidate 18 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.24% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. For short-term traders, this presents a potential selling opportunity as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the ETF breaks above the top trend line at $44.78, it may indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 2.35% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return falls within a range of -28.03% and 3.23%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a significant 83.93% change over the next year. This could potentially result in a return between 37.1% and 130.6%, indicating a price range of $60.87 to $102.39 after 12 months. Our latest update for TQQQ brings good news. It was a green day on Tuesday. The TQQQ ETF price increased by 0.795% on the last trading day, moving from $44.05 to $44.40. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a 2.13% fluctuation, reaching a low of $43.67 and a high of $44.60. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, showing a 9.9% increase over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume has also increased, signaling a positive technical sign. On the last trading day, 18 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, resulting in a total of 78 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.47 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $47.14, while the lowest price was $16.10. Currently, the price is 5.81% or $2.74 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 76.74% or $146.48 below the all-time high reached on January 8, 2021, when the price reached $190.88. Today, we're going to talk about the signals that have been identified for TQQQ. The TQQQ ETF shows promising signs, as it holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there will be support from the lines at $44.11 and $38.55. However, if the stock falls below these levels, it will issue sell signals. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. This is a good technical signal, especially considering that volume is rising along with the price. However, there are also some negative signals that may have an influence on the near short-term development. One of the negative signals was a sell signal issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, and so far the stock has fallen by -0.671%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot has been found. Today, I want to share some interesting signals with you. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently showing a buy signal. Pivots, on the other hand, gave a sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal 23 days ago. The short-term moving average also provided a buy signal 20 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 15 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a buy signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 3 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. When it comes to support levels, TQQQ has some interesting ones just below its current level. Specifically, there is accumulated volume support at $37.35 and $35.70. These levels act as a safety net for the ETF, but there's always a risk when testing a support level. If it breaks, the ETF may fall further to the next support level. In this case, that would be $35.70 and $34.47. It's important to note that TQQQ is considered high risk due to its volatility. It can experience significant movements throughout the day, which makes it quite dynamic. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for this ETF. Looking at the numbers, TQQQ moved 93 cents between its high and low points in the last day, representing a 2.13% change. Over the past week, its daily average volatility has been 2.17%. Today, we'll be discussing the potential day trading levels for TQQQ. If the market shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $44.70. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $37.35. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. We recommend setting the stop loss for this ETF at $42.77, with a decrease of 3.68%. This ETF experiences significant daily fluctuations, which increases the level of risk associated with it. The RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 76, further intensifying the risk. Additionally, a sell signal was detected from a pivot top that occurred 5 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it appears that the current level of TQQQ ETF may present a buying opportunity. However, upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Wednesday, November 29th, we anticipate TQQQ to open lower by $0.177 and begin trading at $44.22. Before we dive into today's content, it's important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? We're curious to hear your insights. And if you find this content helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. At Stock Invest, we strive for your success in trading. Wishing you a beautiful day ahead.